My name is Milica Jovanka and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about hair colors, and I'm really excited because if you follow me or if you ever saw my Instagram page, you already know that I love to play with hair colors and to change my style really often, but we all know that it comes with a cost. We can have healthy hair and dye it all the time. So I have the perfect solution for all of you that are like me and want to play with vibrant colors without ruining our hair. It's the new Colorista from Loreal, and I am beyond obsessed with this product. I will put a link down below to show you how I achieved a really beautiful fairy kind of look with rose gold shades on one of my wigs, but here today I'm going to go with a blue look, and I really wanted to show you how it works and how easy it is to use these products. And the best part for me, not only you don't need to bleach your hair, and it works with every single hair color and hair texture, but it washes off after one day. So every single day you can play with a new color. Also, we have kind of three different collections. So we have the original one with really vibrant colors. We have the hot pink one, the purple, and the blue one. But we also have another collection, the pastel one. So we have a pastel blue, a lavender shade, pastel pink, and mint. And finally, because this is not everything, we also have some metallic shades. So we have the rose gold one that I used on my blonde hair, we have a silver one and a gold one as well. For today's look, I want something really vibrant, so I'm going to go with the blue colors, and we're going to try to create maybe a tie and dye effect, something really fun. And I don't know, I'm obsessed with blue, so we're going to go with these two. We're going to use the blue shade and the pastel blue one. Before we start, a few tips. You want to style and comb your hair before applying the product. I'm just going to brush it a little bit more, so I really have everything in place. Here we go. Then you want to make sure to use an old towel, something you would usually use when you dye your hair. So I'm going to put this all around me. Here we go, we are all protected. And first I'm going to start with this shade right here. This is the shade blue. I'm going to shake it a little bit. So what I like to do as well is to protect my face with a towel. Now we're going to take this shade right here. This is the pastel blue one. We're going to apply that on the ends only. Now I'm taking a toothbrush. Usually that's what I use for my baby hairs. And I'm going to brush over here just to blend the color a little bit. To make it even more vibrant, I'm going to take just a tiny bit of this one right here. This is the silver one, and add that to my ends. And this is our final look. I am obsessed with how it came out, and the best part about this is that you can mix and match all the colors you want. You can go with one color, do a tie and dye, do only a few highlights, and play with some fun braids and fun styles. I don't know, I just love how easy they are to use, and especially how easy they are to take off. Like, you just wash your hair, that's it, no bleach, nothing is needed. Even on my black hair, it's showing exactly the color that's supposed to be. So I absolutely love that. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the look. It's probably going to be another color tomorrow, so stay tuned on my Instagram for that. And for my next look, I was hesitating between the mint color, kind of mermaid vibes, and the purple one. So let me in the comments which one should I try next. Should I mix them, try just one? Which one is your favorite? I want to know, so comment down below. I love you guys so much, and we'll see you in my next tutorial.